Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your name on your Flybuys account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to flybuys.co.nz and log into your account. If you don't have a Flybuys account, you can join it now. After you log into your account, you can see this type of profile. Go ahead and tap on your profile over here on the top right hand corner and go to My Account. After you click on My Account, it's not over yet. There are still process left. Go ahead and click on My Profile, which you can see right beside Account. After you click on My Profile, scroll a bit down and you can see your details over here. You can see the name over here. Go ahead and click on Edit Details. After you click on Edit Details, now you can edit your name. So you can see your full name over here. So you can also change your designation. So I'm just going to keep it Mr. and I'm gonna also change my name. So I'm gonna change my name over here, and after that you can see that you can change your surname as well. So you can see the designation, the full first name and the surname has been changed. After you do that, just go ahead and click on Update and wait for a while, and in a while your name will be changed on your feed if you scroll down. So you can see that your name has now been changed. So it's quite easy. You should go to your profile over here, go to My Account, then this page will load up. After that, click on My Profile and find Edit Details. After you find Edit Details, click on it once and you can finally edit your name. Go ahead and choose the designation, choose the full name and the last name. After you are done, just go ahead and click on Update, which is over here on the bottom of the page after you scroll it down. Wait for a while and your full name and the last name will be changed on your feed. So guys, this is how you change your name on your Flybuys account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.